family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of House of Zwide teasers March 2025. Monday 03 March 2025. Isaac is relieved as Una makes it clear that she has no issues with him dating Maria. However, he expresses his concern that Kelechi is becoming rebellious due to her disapproval of his relationship with Maria. Tuesday 04 March 2025. Faith receives Sizwe's file from Benjamin, who is disappointed in her hiring him. Seeing Sizwe's mugshots, Faith discovers his criminal past in anger and fear. Wednesday 5 March 2025. Faith confronts Msizi about lying to her about Sizwe's criminal past and the fact that he went to prison over the highest job that forced Msizi to flee the country. Thursday 6 March 2025. Kelechi is left disappointed after Molefe and Dorothy make it clear that they don't believe Isaac is out of line and they will only act if Maria does something wrong. Friday 7 March 2025. Msizi pleads with Faith to stop harassing Sizwe with menial tasks. He wants to admit that his strategy is better option. Having Msizi around might not be the explosive situation she fears. Monday 10 March 2025. While Msizi opens up to Sizwe about how much Ayanda means to him, Harriet opens up to Ayanda about her suspicions that she thinks Sizwe might be a criminal from back in the day. Tuesday 11 March 2025. Faith get a call from a client claiming that Sizwe assaulted him. Sizwe denies the allegations, and in the end, it is his word against the client. 12 March 2025. Una suggests looking at the CCTV footage to see what really happened, but Sizwe quickly insists on going to retrieve the footage himself. 13 March 2025. CCTV footage shows that Sizwe did indeed assault the client. Msizi agrees that they need to get rid of Sizwe from the collective, but they need to be careful about how they go about it. 14 March 2025. Sizwe reveals that he knows that Faith and Msizi invested the highest money into the collective. He is therefore not leaving until they give him his share of the money. 20 March 2025. Sizwe arrives at his meeting place with Faith and calls her. She tells him she won't make it and she hangs up. And before Sizwe knows what's happening, the hitman holds a gun on to his head. 21 March 2025. Msizi arrives at the collective and lies to Nkosi and Una that Sizwe quit his job for a better one elsewhere. Msizi later finds out from Faith that the hitman who took Sizwe out may not have been a pro. 24 March 2025. Msizi and Faith find Harriet wrapped up but alive. Harriet reveals that Sizwe adopted Ayanda and she about to call the cops on Sizwe when Msizi stops her and tells her the truth about why Ayanda was taken. 25 March 2025. Sizwe demands 300 million or else he will kill Ayanda. He gives Faith and Msizi 2 days to come up with the money and sends them a picture of Ayanda with his hand holding a knife to her throat. 26 March 2025. A restrained Ayanda tries to reach to the knife but can't quite get to it. Meanwhile, Faith and Msizi meeting with Benjamin and ask him to track Sizwe's phone. 27 March 2025. Msizi asks Faith to stay with Harriet while he goes off to try and rescue Ayanda. Meanwhile, Ayanda takes an advantage of a sleeping Sizwe to finally reach for the knife and free herself. 28 March 2025. Faith and Msizi contemplate telling the cop everything despite the consequences, but then they get a call from Sizwe, who along with Ayanda, has taken everyone at the collective hostage. 31 March 2025. Sizwe takes Nkosi, Una, Faith, Pearl, and Ayanda hostage. At the collective, Pearl managed to text Msizi, alerting him to what going on. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for House of Sweden March Jesus.